Hi guys, I'm Stuart from CCM. We're going to look at a DSG fault today. We're going to look at a fault which commonly occurs in Volkswagen Audi group cars with a DSG gearbox. So this fault will cause drivability issues for the customer. Usually they'll either lose all the even or all the odd gears and they'll get a warning light on the dashboard. So the fault is within the mechatronics unit, this unit here. This is a very complex unit that operates the gearbox. It's basically a robot, electronically controlled, electronically operated, and then operates via hydraulics to actually change gear and operate the clutch within the gearbox. The unit is effectively sealed for life, although we can get them repaired, which is a much cheaper option than going for a new unit. When the customer brings the car into us with a fault with the gearbox, the first thing we do is look at it diagnostically. And today we've used this tool here, which is the Drive Pro made by Opus, but a wide variety of diagnostic tools can be used to find the fault. What we're looking for is the P1735 and P1736 fault codes, which relate to clutch 1 or clutch 2 position sensors. In the dealership, typically this job would cost about £2,500 plus VAT. If we carry out the repair to the mechatronics unit, including removing and refitting, the whole job comes in at £1,458 on this particular vehicle, including new oil. That gives us total saving of about £1,250, including the VAT. With this particular repair, the turnaround time is usually 5 to 7 days. We have to remove the mechatronics unit from the vehicle. We send it away to a specialist company for repair, then refit to the vehicle. If you get any problems like this or any other DSG gearbox problems, please get in contact with us and we can have a look at them. Our normal process is an initial hour's diagnosis, after which we can then give you a pricing for the repair. You can contact us either by telephone or by email.